This is Miss Isa, and I work for the Greater Valley YMCA, and today we're going to be doing a pinwheel for on its own. And we're going to focus on measuring and cutting motor skills. And in order to do that, we need scissors to cut. We need a measuring tool. I'm going to use a measuring tape. I'm going to use a pen, stick, or straw, stick, and a piece of paper. So the first step is to measure. You want all the sides to be the same, so I'm going to use this shortest, smallest side. So I'm going to measure that. Measuring. Just bear with me. You can see better. You see it's about 8.5 right here, 8.5. So we're gonna measure the long way 8.5 and make a mark on both this side and this side, and then make a line across. So we said 8.5. We're gonna make 8.5. Mark one side, and then other side. So I have one mark here, see, then the other one here, and now I'm going to make a line across. So there's my line, and I'm going to cut across. Another way to make sure that you know it's right, you can connect this corner and then connect it to, align it with this edge. So basically, pull this side with this line really well. And then cut across. And it's okay that you have this line going down because you will need it. So let's cut it. Cut across. Okay. Now you have the line here. Now you want to pull this one, this side, this one down to make another line on the other side. So you want to make an X in the middle. Big ol' X. This is what I need. One vertical, and the other one goes down here. And when I tried to measure, it wasn't straight, but I had a measuring tape. It's easier with a ruler. Okay, so that's that. Now what you need to do is make a dot 3/4 down the line, 3/4, or you can measure it. And if I can show you. You measure, and then the line is about 6 inches. So you wanna make a dot, measuring 4 inside. So what I mean is 4 inches. Make a dot. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Say 5. So this would be 5 inches. About 5 inches. Then you do another dot here, here, and here. Doesn't have to be really perfect. But you don't want to cut all the way to the center. Shouldn't do that. So you want to cut this corner all the way. So cut there, and then you want to cut all the way to the dot only on the 4 corners. And then this is what you end up with. Now you're gonna grab one of the corners and put it in the middle, like this. You can pin it one at a time, or you can hold on to it. Of course, the kids, if you're doing it with a child is doing this, you want to help them out. So grab that one. I can show you better. You don't want to grab the next one. You want to grab every other one. Oh, actually, oh, not this one. This on the same one. This one, and then the following one. And then pin it. I can hold it better. Better grip. Apologize for that. So now that it has been pinned, you want to grab your stick or or the strap that you have. You want to pin that onto the stick. Be careful with the pins and children. You don't want them to poke themselves. You don't want it too tight because you want the paper to go around. Can't do much more, but it will go like that. And that is a pinwheel. You can decorate it. You can do more colors if you want. If you enjoy this.